conditional probability. I have to say this is another, well, it's a simple idea, but still some students have trouble grasping this. So you might want to think about this, do example after example, read over the examples until you finally grasp this. And I think once you do, you'll wonder what the big deal was. So just hang in there, okay? So there are many times when we will calculate the probability of an event given that another event has occurred. When you calculate these probabilities, you need to realize the number of possible outcomes has changed. This right here is really important for us to remember in conditional probability. I also need to tell you that there's some more complicated formulas out there, but we're going to approach this from a more intuitive look, and I think you'll have a little bit better luck. All right, so example 11. Suppose you're being dealt 2 cards from a deck. You are dealt the first card and you pick it up, you'll look at it, and you see it's a jack, and you do not return it to the deck. So what's in the deck now? Well, there's only 51 cards now. How many jacks are there? Well, there used to be 4, but now there's only 3. So what's the probability the second card you are dealt is also a jack? Well, again, it's now out of 51. So the outcomes have definitely changed. So given that first card was a jack, that changes everything in this case, doesn't it? You are minus 1 jack. You had 4 jacks, now you only have 3. All right, let's look at B. Benjamin and Emma are each offered a cookie by their great-grandma. If the dish contains 4 chocolate crinkles and 5 oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, what's the probability that Benjamin selects a crinkle if Emma selected an oatmeal cookie? So we have to look at, originally there were 9 cookies. So there were 9 total. 4 were chocolate crinkles and 5 were oatmeal chocolate chip. So Emma has selected an oatmeal cookie. So we don't have 9 cookies anymore. We have 8 total. And there's only, Emma has taken an oatmeal cookie, so now there's only 4 of those. So we're looking for the probability that Ben selects a cookie now, that he wants a crinkle cookie. So, well, there's still 4 crinkle cookies left, but now it's 4 out of 8. So that will reduce to 1/2. C, you purchase a 50-50 raffle ticket at a basketball game. Your ticket is red. If 240 red tickets were sold and 150 blue tickets were sold, what is the probability that you are the winner given that the winning ticket is blue? Okay, so we are looking for, and I'm going to show you kind of a different notation here. We're looking for the probability that you win given the winning ticket was blue. Okay, so this is the notation that means given the next thing happens. Well, the winning ticket was blue. That changes the outcome, so we're not going to look at the total 390 tickets that were sold. We're looking at the 150 blue tickets. So your ticket is red, though, so your probability of winning would be 0, wouldn't it? And then they said, what's the probability you're the winner given that the winning ticket is red? So now we're going to look for the probability that you win given the winning ticket is red. Well, how many winning tickets are there? I'm sorry. Well, 1, right? How many red tickets are there? 240. And now how many winning tickets were there? 1. So given that the winning ticket was red, what's the probability that you would win is 1 out of 240. All right, if they did not put any condition on that, just what's the probability that you would win, it would be 1 out of the total of all those tickets, but they put a condition on it.